Little quick walk around. Got Ian, got Arthur, the mic, doing the little gimbal thing. But man, you see, this is when you really see the beauty of those Cormotos, Carazzaris. You got Arthur's bike, Daytona 675R. Looks fantastic, better than Mahir's bike. No, I'm just like Arrow exhaust, full O-lanes front and back. Bike looks beautiful. Are you gonna take this to the track? Nice. And y'all remember this bad boy, Honda. You know my brother-in-law got the 600RR.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh man, he joined the Honda family. Oh, of course. Hey, bulletproof motors, man.
That's a fact.
You can beat the hell out of it and you're good to go. Slow is fast, fast is smooth on the track, and that's gonna be our track weapon, man. Good stuff. All right, let me get out of Mike's way. This guy, we're gonna combine ideas. Some good stuff. All right, we'll be back. What do we have here? This bike was around us before. Now he got all that carbon. Look at that. Look at that. All carboned out. He changed the tank to black. Yeah, the bike looks good, brother. Looks sexy. Got the nice little rear set. Look at the Vortex rear set. It's good stuff. Keep it in the Kawasaki family, man. Looking good. I like it. Fellow ninja, brother. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Ninja for life, baby.
That's right. All right, folks. So get ready to roll.
The revolution will be live.
Alright, YouTube, we're here at CycleCear. First bike night in 2 years, folks. So, we're just getting some video and all that good stuff. Got my brother in the building over here. Oh man, love you, man. Yeah, I know he's gonna be out there with us. Watch, we're gonna have a good season. Oh, what's going on, baby? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. All right, all right. You know, good. Check out the slope. I'll be back in a bit. We gotta get your bike out there, brother. Word up, word up, what up? Yes, sir. My man. This feels so good, man. It's like a family reunion, finally getting all the bikes out. But yeah, they're doing the slow races, folks pulling up. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's a big turnout. Look at that. The old school turns, seeing bikes. So good stuff, man. All right, doing a nice little walk around. Shout out to all the MCs that are out here, Bad Guy Riders, Soul Survivors, Omar's old crew. All right. Nice bike, brother. I had this bike. Gen 2, baby. Loved it. Yes, sir. Yeah. One of our Night Rider brothers. And his CX-14. And he got the nice seat. You gotta tell me where you got that, bro. Custom cut? Oh, hey, you gotta send me that information. It looks good, man. I really like it. 350? Nice. Not bad. Not bad. And now, when you sit on it, does it like, it cups you in pretty good? All right. Mind record me, my man? It's a recording. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. My buddy Enzo had a really aggressive cut.
Yeah.
But this one, yeah, this is... Send me that info.
I got you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I appreciate you, man. Look, I gotta get that seat, baby. Gotta get that seat. All right, thanks, brother. I'll be back. You look to your left, you look to your right, see nothing but bikes. We got Arthur in the building. I know Mahir's here. Get some good info. Did somebody do a burnout? I smell burnout. All right. What's going on, fellas? Long time no see. Good to see you, my man. How's everything? How's everything? All right. Give Poconos a chance. I know you don't like that track. It's all good. It's all good. But you rolled up with the rest of the crew? Oh, just passing through? All right, cool. But it's good to see you, man. All right. Yes, sir. Now, I'm gonna enjoy it a little bit. We'll be back. All right, YouTube. Oh, hey, you know what? Can you get me and my brother over here?
That should look weird as hell, yo. Alright, so who's your authenticator on this shit?
Oh, my battery's dead. Yo, that's cool. I remember there's a couple other guys at the BMX ride going there and stuff.
You want a full picture or just a regular?
Video.
Alright.
I got it, brother.
I got you. Oh, okay.
Yeah, but here's the thing. This is the first one in a long time. I'm sure they'll be all right. Yeah, I got you. What up? What up? What up? Good to see you, brother. Oh man, you missed the fun. They had smoke plumes everywhere, man. No, it's all good, man.
It came loose and the air was leaking out of his front tire.
What, he has a metal or a rubber one? Look, gold, metal, all the way, bro. Check it out. You got T'Challa with all the carbon. Got Moto Mac in the building. Nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Glad you made it safe, brother.
Yeah, definitely. Where you guys going after this?
I don't know. We're gonna figure it out as we go along. Probably Buffalo Wild Wings on 1 to 9 or so. All right. But if I know for sure, I'll let you know. All right. Sexy bikes in the building. These those bad boys in the building. My eardrums, oh my goodness. My eardrums, baby. That's sick. Get it safe, brother. I guess folks are super happy. Nothing but the smell of rubber. What's going on, my man? Good to see you. Long time no see. How you been? Good? Hey, we get out this season, all right? Bet. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Bike season is back, baby. Let's go. Give Robo my regards, man. All right. All the while, whoop, whoop, the sound of the police. Nah, because yeah, it becomes reckless, you know. Yeah, all that, and the popo right there. Look. Look at all this. Take care now. Look at this. All right, cool. All right, it's starting to wind down a little bit. I'm want to thank y'all for watching. Shout out to Mac. All right, so it's winding down. This was cool. This was definitely worth the trip. It feels like the season is coming back, you know. So make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to Mac's channel as well. Shout out to my buddy me here and his business. You know, hell of a bike night, successful, good stuff. I'll see y'all in the next one. My 360 camera died. I don't know what happened. And somebody's doing the wheelies out here with the cops. Not